Woo, reminisce about my past, need to let it go.
What's the deal, greats? It's your boy Great28, man. Coming back to you with another good video. Matter of fact, make that a great video, you feel me? Oh, I'm sweating this shit. But yeah, man. Today what we got planned, we about to go to this little car meet. It's gonna be a night car meet. It's my first little night car meet, you feel me? And if y'all don't know by now, then y'all should know that Crazy Red, she got night lights up under her hood. So I mean, I wanna see how that's gonna be. Then I wanna see how this car meet gonna turn out. It's a MAZI Detroit car meet. So if y'all don't know about that, know who they is, go look them up on YouTube and look them up on Instagram, which is called MAZI Detroit. So it should be a good video. Stay tuned with your boy. You know, I always drop fire. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. You feel, turn on the post notification bell so you can be the first to get all the new footage and do whatever you want with the video. I appreciate y'all, man. But first thing on the to-do list, we about to come grab a Slurpee. It's 7-Eleven in case y'all don't know. So they doing free Slurpees. We about to come grab me one. Hopefully I can get one though. Y'all see this line? It's mother packed like a motherfucker. Like a mud. Look at that.
I can't even get out.
This is crazy over there. That motherfucker. Do this, man. Look at the line. All I want is chill. They turn that big though. I'm hoping so. I made it out that bit. We got it. We in here. You feel me? Yeah. So y'all know me. Y'all know me and Crazy will always make a good entrance. You know, the heads always turn when we hit the corner. But yeah, we arrived here. You know, we arrived like 10 minutes early. Supposed to start at 7:30. But yeah, I got here like 7:22. So 8 minutes, probably like 20 cars out here right now, including mine. So we about to have fun, you know, get a good look at some cars, you know, let y'all see what we got going on. But yeah, it's my little clothing brand, Money Power Loyalty. If you like what you see, come support your boy, young entrepreneur trying to make it happen, you feel me? I'm on my grown man shit. So yeah, I'll leave the link in the description. It's www.moneypowerloyalty.com. Great28 merch will be on the way for my greats out there, you know. But yeah, stay rocking with your boy. We got greatness on the way. Man, they got some crazy Camaros at this one. I gotta let y'all see these. There's like 3 of them. There's one is neon. This mother chilling. They part right next to Crazy Red too. I don't know, I might have a Camaro just because. They get clean. Look at them. Color on this one is so crazy. Man, that must sick. Look at a color like this though. SS. Man. I ain't ever saw no Hot Wheels edition Camaro or even a Hot Wheels edition car at that. I remember we used to play with Hot Wheel cars all the time, me and my brother Lo. Man, he'd be tripping out if he saw this mug right now. I can see him in the Camaro though. Y'all can see me in the Camaro, leave a comment down below. Switch from Mopar to the Chevy. And I don't know, I mean, ain't nothing wrong with Chevy. My first car was a Chevy, it was an Impala SS, you know. The 96 boy. But man, Camaro, this day and age, the SS200 on the dash. Come on, stop playing. Hey, look at the color on that mud. That hot orange. Killing it. Killing it. I'm telling you. That mud too crazy. It just always seems like I'm the only moped at a car show. That's crazy. Look at this. All these cars here. And she the only moped right now. I don't see no other SRTAs, no other scats, no Hellcats, no nine. But it's cool. We out here thugging. My lonely Low ain't here with me, so y'all don't see Low. He had classes. I'm up here at school working. But yeah, you know, we gotta get it in. We out here grinding for y'all. You feel me? Alright, so I guess I spoke too soon about the mopeds being up here and me and Crazy Red be the only one. But, oh, there go one. Look at that right behind me. Neon green, but yeah, look at this one. What's in front of me though? They got Crazy Red, big snorkel under there. You'll see the red up under there. But look at this scat. Man, come on now. Say I ain't gonna upgrade with that mud. Say they ain't looking clean though. But yeah, man, this car meet is going smooth. Met a couple subscribers. Got a couple new subscribers. I don't know, people that I knew, you feel me? But got a couple new subscribers, man. Y'all new to the channel, man. It's gonna be a great experience, great family, man. We got a lot of great things coming on the way. Great 28. It's your boy. And look at it. It's the owner right here. You know, it might be petty, bro. But I was parked over there, but I saw a moped and I had to come park next to it. He a cool guy, man. That mud clean, ain't it? Man, that mud is clean. He just thought about putting the stripes on it. I see Crazy Red got the tiger stripes on there. He thinking about doing the same thing. I told him to go ahead, man. It's a nice car. Man, it happened as soon as I got it, though. Yeah, bro. It happened as soon as I got it, bro. The windshield, I don't know about that. That's how I got it. So, I mean, it'll work out, though. I don't know.
You can barely notice. I mean, it still looks sick.
Yeah. Hey, this is like one of them Hellcats. The life of MAZI was just recording on like last video. I'm about to show y'all this. Look at that mud. Man, what? Come on, man. I need it. I'ma get it. I need it. I'ma get it. Matt Talk our car reviews on a truck, on a crazy big blue. It is crazy. Look at this. Just look at the face on that mud. It's a Ford. I know it ain't no Ram Reezy or whatever, but was crazy. I ain't gonna do the cruise. You know, I had fun. I left with a crazy exit. Too bad I couldn't get the footage because I'm the one driving. So if y'all got the footage, please send it to me. Because I did pill out, man. I pilled out something crazy, though. But yeah, we about to head back to the crib. Y'all see this in a minute. It's your boy Great28. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? A lot of greatness going on over here. Turn on them post notification bells so you can be the first to get all the footage. And holla at your boy. It's your boy Great28. I'm out.